everybody, thank you for watching and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film my August IPSY GLAM bag, Get Golden. Whether you're soaking up the last days of summer or easing back into a routine, this is your moment to explore what keeps you grounded and glowing, no matter what's next. Love that? Let's go. So I did get a few add-ons with this order. The first is the Commodity Milk Orchid perfume. I am such a perfume person, so I love trying out new samples to see. Interesting. It's like very creamy, very coconutty almost. That, I could go either way. I'll have to see how it wears. The next add-on I got was this Elemis Superfood Glow Cleansing Butter. I love this brand, so I know any little trial sample product from them I'm probably going to get. They're great for travel and they're just such hydrating products. Love that. Then I did get the Joy Face Deep Cleansing Facial Treatment. The packaging got me. So cute. Let's see what she is. Aloe Vera and Hyaluronic Complex. So I think this is a face wash. I just got back from Colorado with my best friend and we didn't bring face wash. I did happen to throw a little travel one in my bag, so I was really happy to have one of these little face wash minis. Okay, so this is what's in the August Glam bag. It has this really cute horsebit charm and I love the orange. This is the Hey Honey Prime Matte Luminous Priming Base. Cute. Then we have the Clinique Moisture Surge Active Glow Serum. Clinique, can't go wrong with them. They've been around forever. I'm actually wearing Clinique eyeliner today. Super cute, little tiny. Love that. Okay. Then is the Boo Beauty Vault Lengthening Mascara. Ooh, look at that packaging, holographic. Let's see what the wand looks like. I love a fluffy wand. You know I love L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Roller Lash has got me, so let's see what this guy's doing. Okay, interesting. Not a fluffy wand, but I will give it a try and let you know what I think. I do like the packaging. It's like square, like so shiny, super cute. Then we have, oh, okay. A setting spray. Awesome. I need a new setting spray. Glow on Fifth Beauty. So I will give that a try. Okay. The mister's really nice. It kind of smells like soap. So that is what was in my August IPSY Glam bag. Thank you for watching.